Hi everyone, this is Ellen, and today I'm going to be unboxing this order that I received from Red Heart in the United States. And so I needed to get some more yarn for my plan pooling blanket that I have a tutorial series for on my channel. You can check that out. But I originally purchased 5 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver plan pooling yarn, and that's enough to make an Afghan or a baby blanket. But as I was working, I decided I really wanted it to be longer so that I could completely cover my body and stretch my legs out when I'm on the sofa. I guess I'm just being a little bit extravagant, but I figured if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it. So I wanted to order some more yarn. And the problem that I have found with the plan pooling Red Heart Super Saver yarn is that it's hard to find in stores. So you can buy it directly from Red Heart, and that's what I did. If you go to redheart.com, you can search all their yarn and you can place an order there. And it's really cool. They offer free shipping on orders over, I think, $34 or $35. So I didn't have to pay for shipping. And let me tell you about my experience with buying directly from Red Heart. It took a little over a week to get here. And when it arrives in the mail, it comes from their company name, which is actually Coats North America. And it's in Columbus, Georgia. And that's where it comes from. This is actually the second time I purchased from Red Heart. The yarn that I bought to make my blanket so far, I also purchased from Red Heart because, like I said, I had a hard time finding it at Michael's and Joann, and I just bought it online. So, all right. And I know that when I purchased this, I needed to buy a little bit more so I could get the free shipping. And I know I purchased some other yarn, some new yarn of theirs that I thought looked interesting, and I can't remember what it is. So this is going to be a little bit of a surprise for me, too, because I don't know what goodies are in here. I totally forget. So let's open up this box here. Let's see what we have. I do hope that it's the same dye lot as my other yarn. Let's see how it is. So first of all, here's the plan pooling yarn. I ordered 3 more skeins, and let me see. This the dye lot that I had before is, let's see, let me compare. Let's see if I got the same dye lot. On the one hand, it would be really cool if I had the same dye lot. And on the other hand, it would be interesting if it's a different dye lot so you guys can see what that's like should you be in this situation. So the old dye lot number was 1730. And the new dye lot number is not 1730. It's 0350. So it looks like I probably got all 0350. Yeah. So this will be interesting. I'll see how this goes. I might be able to add some to both ends to try to balance it out. We'll see. Okay. I wish it was the same dye lot. I don't know how I would have been able to get the same dye lot because I was not given that option. Maybe if I'd called Red Heart, I would have been able to get that. I didn't try it. I don't know. They're such a big company. I feel like that would be sort of a pipe dream. But, hey, maybe next time I'll see if I can do that. But all right, this will be interesting. All right, let's see what else I got here. So okay, isn't this beautiful? Gemstone. I think this is new for them, or it might not be. I don't know. It's new to me. And I just thought that this colorway was beautiful. This colorway is called Jewel. And this is dye lot G10. This is made by Red Heart. It is 7 ounces or 200 grams. So, you can make a scarf with this. It's a little over 300 yards. It's 312 yards. And they are recommending that we use a 6mm hook. And let's see. Well, that's a 6mm hook. Actually, they give a little blanket pattern here, and they're saying that you need 3 balls of this to complete that afghan. And so that pattern is, I reckon, on the other side of the label. And let's see. All right, so it's a size, it's a 5 weight, bulky. And okay, so they actually recommend a 6.5 millimeter hook on the label. But if you wanted to make that afghan in the pattern that they offer, then you would use a 6 millimeter, you know, probably anywhere between a 5 and a 7 millimeter hook, depending on your tension, is what you'd want to use for this. In the future, I'll do a little review of this yarn once I've had a chance to make some swatches, and I'll let you know how things work for me. So I bought this one, and I also bought this colorway. This colorway, this blue-green, grayish green colorway, is called Emerald. So I got Jewel and Emerald. I love gemstone tones. If you look at my channel, you'll see that I have an affinity for gemstone beads, and I've been collecting them for many, many decades, and I'm actually in the process of sorting through them and talking about them. I'm making some little videos about that, but yeah, I really do love gemstones. I love gemstone tones, colors, so I was attracted to this, and we'll see what I can create with this yarn. I have no plan for it. I think it's 100% acrylic. Let's see, where does it say? Machine wash, cold cycle, gentle, tumble dry low, do not iron, do not bleach. It is 100% acrylic. Yeah. So just a nice acrylic yarn. It feels pretty soft. Not the softest in the world, but also pretty soft. I wouldn't have a problem wearing a scarf with this. And then I also purchased some just plain old Red Heart Super Saver Black so that I can make a border for my plan pooling blanket. I have black accents in my home, so I think that will look really nice. I was also thinking about doing a dark charcoal color, which I think would probably be even better looking, but they were sold out of that color and I was impatient, so I'm going with the black. So yeah, I got some goodies, some surprise goodies. I totally forgot about this. This was one of those late night ordering things, and I was like, oh, what else do they have so I can get free shipping? And that's why I got those. It says that these gemstone jewels, do they have the price? No, they don't have the price on the packing slip. So I paid whatever price Red Heart had for them. I don't think it was on sale. And like I said, I don't even know if this is a new yarn, but I think it is. I'm not a Red Heart person. This is all really new to me. So I just like them. I'm going to try them out. I'll let you know what they're like. Unless I go and see that there's a million other yarn reviews for it, then I won't bother. But I'll check out YouTube and see. But anyway, yeah, that's my Red Heart yarn haul. It's not a lot of yarn, but it's enough for me to finish my plan pooling blanket, as well as play with a new yarn that I've never played with before. So that's it. That is my yarn haul. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful day and that you enjoy your crochet, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.